Hello friends, today I am back with another famous self-help book summary, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Friends, this book was written by Dale Carnegie and this book was first published in the year 1936. Since then, this classic book has taught us how simply we can change other people's behavior by simply changing our own. Well, coming to the details of the book, the author categorized this book into 4 parts. In the first part of the book, he talked about how to handle people. In the second part, he talked about how to make other people like you. And well, in the third part, he talked about how to make other people think in your way. Finally, at the end of the book, the author talked about how to become a charismatic leader. Well, out of these 4 parts, let me talk about the 7 important points which I found very interesting to be shared from this book. In the first point, the author says us to be a good listener. For this, the author says that if you want others to think about you as an interesting person, then all you have to do is to be a good listener. For this, he further says that asking others about themselves makes them feel valued and establish a good foundation on which deeper connections can flourish with them in the future. In the second point, the author says us to know about the interests of others. For this, he says that if you want someone to do something for you, or if you want someone to like you, then the author says us to talk about what interests to them. For this, he says us to find out about the interests of the other people in order to make them influence. In the third point, the author says us to compliment others. He further says that people are driven by encouragement and appreciation, whereas they will be defensive and fight back against criticism. In the fourth point, the author says us to remember every person's name and call them with their names whenever necessary. He says that by doing like this, we can win people. In the fifth point, the author says us to say yes always for everything. He says people are more likely to say yes to larger favors if they are granted with smaller favors first. In the sixth point, the author says not to say others' mistake directly to them. For this, he further says that if you want to get someone to act differently, then relate them by sharing how you have behaved similarly and how your changed behavior benefited you. And the last and the most important point which the author says us to do is to always keep a smiling face. Apart from the above 7 key points, what else we can learn from this book is, we can learn how Abraham Lincoln avoided never to criticize others. We can learn the power of the 2 words, thank you and sorry. We can learn what Dale Carnegie said to his board employee to brighten his day. We can learn how to show others that you care for them. We can learn which language to use when others are wrong. We can learn what to do differently when you yourself are wrong. Finally, thanks for watching this video.